In this video, I'll guide you through how to handwrite on Google Docs if you've ever wanted to add a quick handwritten note, a signature, or a simple sketch directly inside your document. This method is a simple way to do it using tools that are already built into Google Docs. First, make sure you have your Google Doc open and that you're signed in to your Google account. You can use a mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen device. A stylus will usually give you smoother, more natural handwriting, but any pointing device will work for this. To get started, look at the menu bar at the top of your document. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps most of the things you can add to your document, like images, tables, charts, and in this case, drawings. When you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor down that menu until you see Drawing. Hover over Drawing for a second, and another small menu will pop out to the side. From there, click on New. This opens up a separate drawing window on top of your document where you can create your handwritten content. Inside this drawing window, you'll see a toolbar along the top. This toolbar includes options for shapes, text boxes, lines, and more. What we want is the scribble tool, which lets you draw freehand. To find it, click on the line icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like a diagonal line. When you click it, a drop-down list appears with several line options. In that list, choose Scribble. Once Scribble is selected, your cursor changes and you're ready to start drawing or handwriting. Click and hold down with your mouse, trackpad, or stylus, and then move your hand across the drawing area to write or sketch. When you release, that stroke will be placed on the canvas. You can do this repeatedly to form words, shapes, arrows, or anything else you need. If your handwriting doesn't look quite right on the first try, don't worry. You can use the undo button at the top to step back, or simply select a stroke and press delete to remove it. You can also click on any part of your drawing to move it, resize it by dragging the corners, or change its color and line thickness using the formatting options in the toolbar. Thicker lines can make your handwriting easier to read, and darker colors like black or dark blue usually work best for clarity. Take a moment to adjust your handwriting until it looks the way you want. You can zoom in your browser if you need more precision, especially if you're using a trackpad or mouse and your writing feels a bit shaky. When you're happy with your handwriting or drawing, look to the upper right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. This will insert your drawing directly into your Google Doc at the spot where your cursor was positioned. The drawing behaves like an image, so you can click it to move it around, resize it, or adjust how it sits with your text. If you ever want to change your handwriting later, just double-click on the inserted drawing in the document. That will reopen the drawing window where you can edit your scribbles, add more handwriting, or delete what you don't need. When you're done, click Save and Close again to update it in your document. That's all there is to it. By using the Insert menu, opening a new drawing, choosing the Scribble tool, and then saving and closing, you can quickly add handwritten elements to any Google Doc.